Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about how to brand your system emails in Kajabi. So you know those bog standard system emails that come out from Kajabi when someone purchases your course, cancels a subscription or opts in. Kajabi have introduced a new feature where you can do some basic branding. So let's have a wee look. So from your dashboard, we're going to click on Settings. And we're going to go into those email templates. So let's click here, and this is where you find all your system emails that can be sent out. But what we're going to do is just click on the branding tab, and from here you can add in a logo or an image, and you can add in some of your branding colors to change the button. So I'm just going to click on select a file, and I'm going to just add in my logo. Click open, and I'm just going to click save, upload file, and then you can see I've just added in my logo. You can also change the button colour and the font colour. So I'm just going to change the background button. And I'm just going to change it to one of my branding colours, so the orange. And then I'm just going to leave the font colour as is. So just click save. And then if I go back into the templates, I'm just going to pick one of the system emails. So let's click this one. Preview in the browser. And you'll be able to see I've now got my logo, and I've also got my login button in my branding colours. So very simple, only a couple of steps, but it just personalises those fairly bog standard system emails. So if you'd like to try it Kajabi, you can use my 30-day link. It's a free trial link which gives you 30 days completely free instead of the normal 14 days. So you can find the link at the bottom of this video. Thanks for watching.